forward.
I need to do what has to be done.
Hallelujah.
The flavors are melting on my tongue. But who the heck is gonna find a plastic bottle in the desert? I don't know. New invention. Less water usage equals more water conservation. More water conservation equals more water donations. I know what to do. Bing, bang, bang, bing, bang, bang.
Ta-da!
Doop. Yay, water conservation. Yippee! Please conserve water. It's really good for people who don't have access. This video has been going on for 1,092 frames. Conserving water can give us a healthier environment and a better future. But best of all, we can have more never mind.